Hey there, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director.
And Maisha, also Beauty Director.
And we're so excited to bring you this video because we're here to talk to you about a topic that's definitely been buzzworthy for sure.
For sure. So CBD is something that you have definitely heard about. It's used in many different ways, but we're here to talk about 6 very new, very exciting products that we have at Sephora that offer this really great ingredient.
Now, we've talked about hemp-derived products in the past, but it's really important to note that this is the first video that we're actually going to be talking about products that actually contain CBD in them.
And this is full spectrum CBD, so you get maximum benefit and higher quality of the ingredient. So you can rest assured that whichever CBD product that you choose, because we have many different formulas, and we've picked our favorite for sure, that you're gonna get the best, most soothing, calming ingredients.
Now at Sephora, we've definitely put together, this is kind of our stance on what CBD actually means, and basically this is our curated assortment. So when you're watching this video, keep that in mind.
So our first product that we have is something that our boss actually really loves. This is the first time I heard it was from her. Shout out to Blakely. So this is the Lord Jones High CBD Formula Body Lotion. It's very, very potent and it's very targeted. So I would suggest putting your normal moisturizer on. I love a good Josie Maran body butter after the shower. I feel like that works really well for me. And then put this on the areas where you feel like you need that targeted sort of soothing, calming. This also has shea butter in it, so it's gonna go on really nicely. It's gonna penetrate really deeply, and it also has this sort of minty feeling to it as well. So it kind of helps with the feeling of just kind of like relaxing the skin. So body lotion, she's deceivingly small, but she packs a punch for sure. And remember, targeted.
Yes, great for after a long day, you know, especially those of us that work on our feet all day and want to just a nice way to relax and unwind.
It's like self-care to the max. I feel like I take pretty good care of my body, like scrubbing and lotions and things like that, but this is really going to amp it up for sure.
Definitely take it to the next level. First up, for facial skincare, we have from Flora and Bass. This is a new skincare brand to Sephora. This is their age-adapting CBD serum. Now, this is a beautiful product, and I have to say, a gorgeous texture. I'm obsessed already.
It kind of has this sort of very moisturizing, like almost like a dry oil texture. I wouldn't call it traditional oil because it's not heavy.
It dissipates in the skin very quickly, like a true serum. And a long time ago, I would say that oils were definitely kind of nature's first serum anyway.
Our ancestors were using butters and oils for sure.
So even though it feels like an oil, it definitely has that serum effect on the skin. It's going to dissipate really quickly, and you'll be able to apply other products right on top of it.
I would say if you're oily, probably I would probably just use this by itself, but if you're dry, you could totally layer something else on top.
So one of the key benefits of using this product is it's really going to help to reduce the appearance of redness. It helps to clear blemishes. So it's really easy to apply. You're going to want to use 5 to 10 drops. And you can use this morning and night, okay? And it's really important for you, again, to warm it up in the hands and then press it with your fingertips along the face, right? Just softly, where you, just along the high planes, really working it in.
Pretty. Yeah. And it's nice, like, if you want to maybe touch up your makeup, because, like, just going over, you have, like, very, very light complexion on it. It still looks really nice. It looks more satiny. It doesn't look oily. It's not breaking up anything.
No.
So our next one, like I said, is more of a traditional sort of oil feeling, which is really nice. This is the Herbivore Emerald CBD 100 milligram Deep Moisture Glow Oil. I would say if you hear the words deep moisture, it's still for all skin types. It's very, very lightweight. I feel like it's maybe just like slightly more moisturizing than the last one we talked about with that very lightweight serum oil texture. It's really, really nice just to kind of put on under your makeup, over your makeup. It's just a really beautiful texture with a nice scent.
And I love the color. I think it's just going to look beautiful sitting on anybody's vanity.
I do arrange my products according to like what looks cute. Like, that's what's out. So I do.
You hear that, brands? You better make it look nice.
I do that, especially when I have people staying with me over the weekend or company. I'm like, let me put my cute stuff out. So definitely really beautiful to have on your vanity. It has a nice, calming, like very light scent, as Jeffrey was saying, too.
Kind of grounding and very herbal. I love the way that it smells.
Yeah, so if you're maybe an incense person at night or, you know, you spritz a little perfume or something on, this will kind of help you and won't be overly distracting at all, the scent either.
So next up, we have another powerhouse product. This one's infused infused with 20 different botanicals, which is amazing. This is from St. Jane, and this is the Luxury Beauty Serum. Now, this is another kind of lightweight serum oil, and another one where we can talk about the packaging for like 3 years. Like, this is so beautiful.
She's pretty. I feel like
she's
it
very
fits
pretty.
right into my fragrance collection, and then the botanicals. I guess that maybe that's on purpose, because it's really nice. I'm so oiled up. But give me some more.
For sure. Now, this one's a beautiful kind of golden color, so you know that it's going to be really great for boosting glow and giving that really nice radiance to the skin, which we really, really like. So, and this one's also going to be really great for some age defy in there because, again, like what we talked about, there's a lot of antioxidant potential behind CBD. So having it infused in the product is really going to help to protect your skin from environmental aggressors and stress throughout the day.
It has a really nice scent. It's sort of like, I don't want to say minty, but like, what is that scent? It's really nice. It almost wakes you up, so I feel like this would be something really nice to wear in the morning, or maybe on those days where you're just like half had it, and you just want something to sort of perk you up a little bit. But it's really, really nice. Whatever blend is in there with the 20 different botanicals is really working.
You got the purest of the pure in here, which is great.
So our next one is something that's definitely a favorite of mine. I use quite a bit of Josie Maran products, and when I received this in the mail a few weeks ago, I literally at my little mail opening station opened it and put it all over my face.
I kind of shrieked. I gasped. I was like, oh my God,
I probably should have washed my hands first, but it was like I was so excited to use this. So this is the Josie Maran Skin Dope Argan Oil plus 100 milligrams of CBD. So argan oil is probably the most popular oil we have at Sephora, and it has been for a long time. I feel like everybody kind of has tried it in one way or another. So same benefits as her original argan oil with the omegas and the argan oil kind of giving you that like nice lipid layer on your skin. Fatty acids, very, very important. It comes in many different varieties, but this has the CBD added into it. So maybe if you're using that, but maybe you're using an anti-redness serum or something to calm your skin as well, and maybe you want to use something that's multi-purpose, this would be a really great transition for you.
Love that.
And I find as someone who's very oily, I can actually wear this during the day, which I only usually wear oils at night. And I was just like all for it as soon as as soon as I laid eyes on it, I was all for it. Yeah,
I'm a huge fan. I've been using it with the jade roller. I enjoy it.
You need an automatic jade roller that you just stick your face in. That'd be cool.
You heard it here first. Oh my God. So last up, I have a product that I'm super excited to try. This is from Pharmacy, and it's called Better Days Ahead. Now, this is going to be a restorative kind of cushy cream. Now, this texture is ultra addictive because it's ultra lightweight, but gives you a deep hydration without a like greasy residue.
Yes.
Yeah, it's really great for makeup prep. I could see it used before oil would be really nice. Now, this is going to be infused with CBD as well, but then you've also got an adaptogen blend of reishi mushroom. You've got purple ginseng in there, which are really going to help to calm environmental stress.
What I like about it too, if maybe you don't want to go the oil route, I felt like this was a pretty good assortment of different kinds of weights of moisture too. So this is something that you could use if you just like all for it or live in a very dry climate. You could layer one of the oils we talked about on top of this one if you like to, but it's very like cushiony cloud-like.
It feels so
really, really
nice. Like so nice. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Hopefully that was a healthy introduction into CBD as an ingredient for you, for sure.
And I feel like really experiencing the product in person is really going to solidify what you like and what you need to get. I find that the consistency really sells me on, if I'm looking for something for nighttime or daytime. And the reason why we said soothing and calming quite a bit is because it's really going to do something different for everybody. So experiencing it is really the only way to know for sure which one you're going to fall in love with.
For sure. And we know that you're going to have a lot of questions on this video, so definitely know that we're going to be active in the comment section below. Both us and Sephora will be answering your questions for quite some time, so no worries. We're here for you, absolutely.
Yeah.
And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, be sure to do so. Just hit the button, for sure. Because we're always on this channel talking about the newest, cutting edge, and buzzworthy ingredients a lot like this one.
And we definitely try to respond to your wants and your requests in the comment section. So you never know what you request in the comment section. Maybe a video, just filmed something yesterday that was definitely a request. So it's very important to subscribe and make sure you comment. So we will see you next time.
Ciao.
And it's been lovely, guys. Bye.
Bye.